Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. I hope you're all doing well. My name's Sabrina, me and my partner Kirk go around showing you places we like to go, from nightlife, beach days and everything in between. So let's see Wagwan, you all know the vibe. We are in the lovely Albufeira and we are in currently Old Town, and I'm just going to take a little walk from the beach along the promenade and just show you guys some of like the shops and everything that you can expect to see if you are coming to Albufeira. Really nice day. So I'm actually going to compare this one to Benidorm. Do check out our Benidorm footage, because I want to know, is Albufeira the new Benidorm? Is it the place to come? Same distance. Benidorm, you have to fly to Alicante. From Alicante you go to Benidorm. To here, Albufeira, it's to Faro. And then to Albufeira. Obviously there's other ways of getting here, but that's the main way if you are coming from the UK. Weather-wise, it's gorgeous. It's warmer here than it was in Benidorm. Wow, look at all those planes. And then you've got this gorgeous beach. So does this compare to Levant Beach? Again, we've got videos on the channel. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to take a little walk along this promenade, see what it's like, compare the prices, people, beaches, everything in between. Don't forget to, if you are enjoying this, to like. It really helps push the content and we'd be forever grateful. Ooh, that was a mountainous climb. Right, before we go anywhere, I'm gonna have to tap all this sand out of my shoes because it's a beautiful beach. Nice sand, but my Crocs have literally collected everything. I've got a lot in there. So we're just on this like little wooden pathway. You can walk all the way around. We're not doing that today. We're going to head more this way where a lot of like the restaurants and the bars and everything are. You can see there you got your sun lounges and everything. God, you would have thought I've done like a massive walk. Right, where should we quickly sit down? I'm going to sit on that step in a second. Got sand in my shoes. Right, it's very quickly. Whilst I bang the sand out of my shoes, you guys can admire the beautiful view. Which is the Algarve. If you've watched any of my previous videos, you will know that I'm not a big lover of sand. Do I love the beach? Yes. Do I like a stony beach? No. Do I like sand everywhere? No. Still go, still do it, but I think I'm at a point now where I like a nice pool, a nice pool bar, sit there, maybe got the ocean view. If you want to go into the ocean, you can, but if you don't want to, you can just chill by the pool. But yeah, I'm going to have a beach day. It's going to be getting hotter as the week goes on, so there will be a day where I get sand everywhere, but yeah, I'm not a big fan of sand. So this is open all day. You can get breakfast at this one. We've had breakfast. This is the tunnel, reasonably priced. I'm going to see if it's different to what it was the last time we came, because we have noticed a few prices have gone up. We're obviously going into a new year, different seasons, so that's understandable. But for anyone who is coming out this year, it just gives you a bit of an idea of your favourite places. So again, get massage as well, which to be fair, would probably be quite nice. You can like walk all the way around and down there. But let's show you guys the restaurant. I'm enjoying a good ice cream because it's that sort of weather. It's a little gelato place there. So let's check out the prices for tunnel. Let's compare this to what we saw in Benidorm. Hasn't got anything on the back. So let's have a quick look at the English one. Sorry.
Oh, excuse me.
No, that's fine. Carry on, thank you. So yeah, that was a little price point for that one. And then we got the one across the way, which I do also really enjoy. I used to have a beer here. It's a great place to sit and chill. So straight ahead I can see cocktail of the day, and you got an Aperol Spritz for €6. It's not too bad. Hasn't got the prices on these ones. Gonna have to see what the average, we'll have to ask. So, thank you. So let's have a look. This gives you some prices. Can't really go in because the camera's not going to work in the daylight. Right. Hope you guys saw some prices there, gave you a bit of an idea of what it is. So we're now going to go through the tunnel back into the main bit of Old Town. It's quite busy through here. Always getting people taking their pictures and doing their selfies. It's quite an iconic part of Albufeira, especially Old Town. So I would definitely recommend checking it out, even if, you know, it's just a little quick walk by. Definitely worth a visit. And again, you can let me know if you've been to Benidorm, which one you prefer, which promenade. Or maybe you've only done the new part and you've never done this part before. It's always good to know. Right, so we're back into the heart of it. Someone using one of those machines. Can have a little wander around, see how busy it is today. All your little holiday dresses, hats. We'll go up and round today. Up and round. But we're going to go around the other way because that's obviously where we came from. But just to show you guys, that's heading back to where me and Kirk are staying. Again, if you haven't watched Wild Grand Tours, my name's Sabrina. I'm my partner Kirk, and we both are Wild Grand Tours. Got all these cute little roads going up there. So keep going straight ahead. Really busy, it's sort of lunchtime, so all the restaurants quite packed. This one looks really nice. And they've got their snacks. There you go. That one looks nice as well. Little supermarket. Supermarkets are quite pricey. The spa we went into yesterday was quite a lot, but there is a Aldi and a Lidl, so we just go there. Just a little friendly tip. Aldi and Lidl are a lot more cheaper. These nice little hidden streets. So yeah, it is very similar. If you do like that more older vibe, again, thinking of Benidorm, Old Town, I definitely prefer that. So this is not to say one is better or the other, but you can do a little comparison. In the comments you can decide for yourselves if you've been to both, which one do you like. If you haven't, have either of these videos swayed you on which one you think would suit you better? Have you even heard of Albufeira? Have you thought about it? You know, have you been to Portugal, or have you thought about Benidorm? Has it always put you off for, you know, the evening entertainment? So yeah, very hilly. Tattoo Palace. Right, we're gonna head down. Got some more restaurants down here. So this one's straight ahead. There we go. So sea bass, €15. Full English breakfast, €7. I think that's about the same price as what we had in Benidorm. So very similar. So we'll go this way around because we did a square, or the main square, in a previous video. These got ribs and wings, so all you can eat ribs and wings. Let's have a look at the menu. Okay. Hello. Okay. So it is Sunday today, so a few places are closed. I'm guessing these would be open on the weekday. Got another ribs and wings there. Very popular choice, ribs and wings. Fun fact, me and Kirk actually didn't eat meat the last time we was here, and we've recently introduced it back into our diet, so it's going to be a very different experience. We will update you on the different sort of challenges. We're doing more like shorts of those, and you guys can check it out. Supermarkets where we were before. So we basically done like a little circle, and then it's come into sort of like the main area. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed that, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.